Good morning, guys. We're here in beautiful Garner, North Carolina. We'll be doing this house wash today and a shed in the backyard for the customer. We take care of all this brickwork for them. Usually the front side is pretty clean, but not here. Just want to notate that the doorbell was covered. Also wanted to take note of this. Okay. Always make sure to cover up your cameras. Better safe than sorry. House is not too bad on the back side. It's mostly on the front. We have 300 feet of hose pulled out to reach all the way back there to that shed. We'll be cleaning that shed as well. It's pretty green. Not too bad. Yeah, not bad at all back here. Let's go walk around. Beautiful, beautiful property. Look at that. Look at that beauty. She just needs some love. Wow. Yeah, we'll be cleaning this shed here for the customer. Wow, there's windows. Look around. Oh, they got a camera. Glad I checked. It works. Regular old trash bags. Hardly sees. This is what I do. Tuck it from the back. Like that. And then just twist it. Get it as tight as possible. And then just tie it up. That's pretty much it. pouring. Property. The rain really came down on us. Got that shed cleaned up. Looking good. Nothing these clothes from me. All clean. All clean by deep clean. Here we go. That's it for today. I had another job on schedule, but more soap. Look at that. All soap. Gotta be sometimes. Good day.